Hello, this is your boy Dorothea Awilo. Please, you get one video like this. I want make everybody, I want make all of us sit down. If you be woman be carry share, sit down. May you watch this video. I beg. I want all of us watch this video. Watch the video. At end of this video, you get waiting. I want explain inside this video. And all of you who watch this video, put your comment under the comment section. Please, very important. Let's all watch the video. Maybe we don't watch the video. Let me explain something to you. You see, this snake is dead snake. We kill the snake and we tie the snake to the leg of the puppy. We don't see the reaction of the mother. So now, after we do all this work, we now cut the mother out. The mother come. The mother was trying to do everything. You know, she was afraid for the snake, but she tried to do everything. Make sure that he set the puppy, he set her pikin free. He tried every possible best to make her pikin dey free. Now, end of the video, I think she tried make the puppy go free. You understand? But you human being, you know, the dog, he carried belle for 2 months, only 59 days before she born that puppy. but human being carry belle for 9 months. Now go carry the belle, go hospital, try this, born the pikin finish, go throw away am for gutter, born the pikin finish, suffer the pikin, born the pikin finish, leave the pikin anyhow. Wetin, see wetin animal do. Wait, between animal and a human being, which one get sense pass? Analyze that thing for your own sense. Between animals, see wetin that dog go through to save her puppy, to save her pikin. You human being wey dey born pikin dey throw away, dey born pikin dey leave am anyhow, dey do abortion. 9 months na you carry belle o, and you dey born and dey throw away, dey do am anyhow. Wetin dey do now? Think. Inside the dog and human being, which one better pass? Which one get sense? Abeg, Dorothy Awilo, I don talk my own, I don dey go.